Hi, welcome to Cynthia Global Travelers Realtor Tips, Tricks, Words, and Gifts for the month of December. I'm looking forward to spending the month with you and teaching you all kinds of new things and giving you gifts, which is what December is all about. So please stay with us. Once you get your word or your tip, then at the end, just like us and subscribe, and you'll continue to get the new words updated daily. On the 25th of December, my realtor gift for thee is 50 essential tips to prepare your home for a speedy top price sale. Who doesn't want to have a speedy top price sale? Reach out. I've got a gift for you. You know how to get in touch with me. Hey, I'm wearing this silly costume. The least you can do is hit subscribe below and join me for the rest of the videos.